Good job. So now, what do we need to do though? That's step number one. Step number one, you need to find the hypotenuse. So volunteer want to come and find the hypotenuse. Volunteer. Hypotenuse. Okay, Riley, go ahead. We're going to put yours in green. Okay, find the hypotenuse for us. And don't forget, you can use your calculator. If you need mine, yeah, you can use mine. Get ready for it. So can you show us what you're doing first? Like, I mean, like whatever you put in the calculator, show us on the board. So I can. So he's using the Pythagorean theorem right now. He didn't show the formula part for it, but he did his legs, 1.5 squared plus 2. What's the 5 for that? Okay, let's erase that. Okay, so you want to, thank you. That's better, yeah. It's always to the second power when you're doing it. Okay, so he found that the hypotenuse is 2.5 miles. So you need to put your 2.5 there. Did we answer what they needed us? No. So what is our next step? Now, volunteer want to come to do the next step. You want to come and do the next step? Okay. We're going to do that in purple. So what is our next step? What do you think we need to do?
So they're asking us how long did it take them to finish the run. So if they're talking about the entire run, we have to add all of these up together.
Okay, very good. So you want to add all of those up first. Two.
So if you add the decimal points, you get 0, 6 miles.
So that's the total, okay? But now what we need to do? Let's do the next one in a different color. We don't have a different color, do we? Okay. We'll do it back in red. You don't want, you know what to do?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to try?
So if he ran at a constant rate of 8 miles per hour, if you divide 60 divided by 8 equals 7.5. So it took him 7.5 minutes to finish 1 mile.
Okay.
So 7.5 times 6.
And my calculator if you need it. You're fine.
Times 6 equal to
45. Very good. So 45 minutes. Good job. Everybody understood what he did? So he divided 6 divided by 8 to give you your 7.5. And then he took that and multiplied by 6 because that was your total. And then let us know it was 45 minutes to do that whole complete run. Questions about that? You also could have set up a proportion, right? Remember when we talked about proportions back in previous units, you could have said miles per hour. And I will change my hours to minutes since we are looking at minutes. And then I can go ahead. I know that they said 8 miles per hour, and we're going to change it to minutes. So that's how he got his 60. And then we know that we're talking about 6 miles. So where would my 6 go? Top or bottom? At the top. So you put 6. Then I know to cross multiply, divide, and you still would have gotten 45. Questions? All right, let's move on. Then I'm going to give you some time to work. So this is going to be our exit ticket in a moment. What I have here is a tic-tac-toe board with different assignments. that you need to work on. But we're going to come, I'm going to walk around your group in a moment to go over this assignment here as you had came in your extended practice. Okay, so we're going to come back together and go into groups. You're going to explain how you solve your problem, and then if you get this correct, you can move on to doing your activity. I have a Nearpod